Howdy, how are you all doing? I've had this yellow box sitting on my side for months, probably sort of September or something, but I haven't got around to doing anything with it because, well, you know, life and Christmas came about and everything. But this is a model, a fire demon, something like that. I was going to build it and it just kept getting, things kept getting away. Then I got this, the Neat and Handy mini airbrush with built-in compressor. And again, got this before Christmas and didn't get around to using it. And I'm going to use this to build this. First off, a review of this. We're going to try this out for the first time, see what it's like, and I'll tell you what I think. Then, in a future video, I will build this. But first off, let's see how good or bad this is. I thought I'd have a quick look on YouTube and see if I could see anyone who's actually used it, rather than just the company that sold it. I've just watched a guy called Phil Parker do a review. The version he got from China, and yeah, it wasn't so successful. I'm hoping that because Neat and Handy are like all good and have like good feedback and whatever, this will mean that their version is slightly better than the one that Phil got, because Phil's one was terrible. But I'm not holding that much hope. So I've got some liquidated like purple paint, 50-50 water, and we'll see how this goes. That's if I can get this off. Still having trouble with this thumb, I can't grip. Not being able to get the cap off. Can't squeeze with this thumb. I've torn the tendon, pulled the tendon. Just gonna pour some water in there. It might be a bit thick. We'll go with a little bit. Put the compressor on and give this a go. Just point you down and we'll see how this goes. That's a vastly more better version than Phil had. This is a good start. Let's try a bit more. If I bring you round to there. Experiment 1, tiny bit of spotting. Would appear pretty good. It's in the box. Not a lot of pieces, just a few. Oh, why do these things not have instructions? Okay, so I sprayed the model. That was about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't done anything since. Reason being that, once again, life got in the way. Got some Payne's Grey. I'm going to do a little bit of Payne's Grey on this here. Got some mix of some white, certainly for the tiles. This is the first thing. I am a noob when it comes to doing this, so you know this. Oh shoot. That didn't work. Just flick paint all over them. Look. All from the top. Very nice blue. It's blue grey. So first off, I'm going to paint this and the ball. That might be a lot of water. We shall see. Oh yeah. Then bottom. It's very watery. Okay, and from my bin and bringing in all the things that are thrown away. Okay, try again, and a bit more mixed. still bubbling. So, still too much water in there. So, I forgot, I haven't got this on. This is not some funky artist glove, this is our hurt my hand glove. I should be wearing this because it hurts. Right, that's not bad. Now, marshmallow white. I can't squeeze with this hand, it hurts. There you go. That. Turns on. Why is this not turning on? So far, not bad. Uncomfortable position to hold that and press down. I guess I'm going to have to go and clean this to get rid of the greyness out of it. That's where the tutorials come into thing about cleaning it all out and taking it all apart. Probably christened it now.
2 hours later.
Well, good job I didn't film that because that's just taking me like 20 minutes to take that apart, clean it out and put it back together. I'm hoping it's back together in one piece, but we're about to find out. Okay, so we're going to do quite a bit of red. Oh yeah, it's a hole in the bottom. Yay, I'm doing so well. Yeah, that goes on there. Idiot, right? That's most of the paint, most of the good paint anyway. We'll go with that for a first test. It's not going back. Ah, we wait again. So I'm not sure what's going to happen there. Look. That just died. That's really hot. I think you give an hour's charge out of it. Can you spray while plugged in? It's very fiddly. Finally, just this. Faffing around to get that right and put it back together, and if you're not done that, you still using airbrushes, pull that back when screwing this in, because suddenly with that getting that into the right position with the needle and so forth, it finally made sense. But I guess at some point I'll video me using it and cleaning it out. Okay, this is just a quick additional thing. I'm just going to try gold ochre, see that? And it's not working. It's working, why is the paint not coming through? So I'm thinking of how thin does this paint need to be? I'm just starting this again. I managed to make it work. I don't know what I did. In case of fiddling about with that and that, suddenly. doing that. The Neat and Handy compact airbrush with built-in compressor. I'm doing that so it stays in focus. It's not bad, it's quite good. It's a lot better than the version that Phil Parker got that I looked up and watched beforehand. Whether it's because it came from China and reassembled here by this company, seems like a UK company, it's pretty good. The compressor gets really hot after an hour of using it. If you do that, it does feel very shaky and messy. And if you take it apart to clean it and put it back together, it's fiddly. But I think that's general rule with all airbrushes. If you do take it apart, when you put it back together and the trigger, push the trigger, get it in focus. Yeah, if you put it on there, you have to put that back like that. Reassemble the back of the gun with the needle and the springs and whatever, like that. Because if you put it like that and do it and lock it up, this thing won't move. So if you've not used it yet and you're looking this for a review, honestly, the honest review is, yeah, if it's £30 or whatever compared to £100 or 150 or thousands of pounds for an actual air gun, it's worth it. It's a bit fiddly, it's not amazing, but you're paying 30 quid for it. So it's enough money to spend to try it out, to see if you actually want one. Somebody said the other day, buy the cheapest one you can and then use it, and then if it goes wrong and you've worn it out, then buy the most expensive one you can, because you'll realise that you actually need it and it's not going to be money wasted. Whereas if you go and buy a £1,000 airbrush and don't use it, that's a waste of money. So try this, go to neatandhandy.com and buy yourself a mini compact in red, because there's just no point buying the black one, it looks boring. Buy the red one and try it, see how you do. If you have one of these and you're about to use it and try it, talk to me below and leave me comments and let me know how you're getting on and what you found, or if you used it, or if you hate it, or whatever. Tell me. If you like this video, if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and come back next time to see me finish the model that I started with this. If you like to see that and want to come back and be reminded of that, then do hit the subscribe button and you'll see it again soon. But for now, Neat and Handy Airbrush. Bye. This focus thing's good for your face, but it doesn't work very well with it focusing on objects. Then zoom and focus. Why are you not focusing? You have to put it over your face. This cinematic mode on the phone doesn't allow you to just focus on something. Ping.